Using your phone as a hotspot but worried it drains battery too fast? Wants your Galaxy S25 Ultra to last longer while sharing internet? There's a simple feature called power saving mode inside mobile hotspot setting. It reduces battery usage by analyzing your hotspot traffic. Just keep in mind when it's on, performance for things like online gaming or video streaming may be affected. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, tap connection, tap mobile hotspot and tethering, tap mobile hotspot, tap your network name, then go to advanced, scroll down the screen. Now enable power saving mode and then tap save. And that's it. Your hotspot will now use less battery. It's perfect when you are sharing internet for simple tasks like browsing or messaging and want your phone to stay alive longer. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.